my goodness. So for today's video, we're taking you in culinary journey of Bicol region, known for its heavy use of coconut milk, taro, and cheese. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hi, I'm Marisa Pasado and we're excited to introduce you the Bicol Express. This dish is a spicy stew made with pork, chilies, coconut milk, shrimp paste, and garlic. Originating in the province of Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur that embodies the region's love for spicy and coconut-based dishes. Personally, I really love how the coconut milk balances out the spiciness of the chili. Definitely must try this. Masarap.
Our next dish is laing, which is made from dry taro leaves, cooked in coconut milk with chili and shrimp paste and sometimes meat or seafood. It hails from province of Sorsogon. The taro leaves are incredibly rich creamy with a lovely space kick from the ceiling. Laing is comfort food with a depth or flavor that truly unique.
Dish dinuguan comes from the Filipino word dugo, meaning blood, which is the key ingredients that gives the stew its classic flavor and appearance. In Masbate, a province in the Bicol region, dinuguan is known for incorporating the Bicolano love for its spiciness.
I love the combination of the blood and the intestine. It makes more exotic and tastier. And it's kind of sweet. Masarap.
creamy dishes, or something in between. Bicolano cuisine is something for everyone. Again, I am Monica Peña.
And I am Yuki Banyares.
I'm Maita Bilizar. I am Marisa Tostado. And I am Sarita Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye-bye! Ay!